Hey guys, this is Amit from Synclovis Systems and I'm going to talk about benefits of native mobile apps. When we talk about mobile applications, there are two main players in the market, Apple and Google. Apple has iOS platform and Google has Android platform, and each of this platform have specific tools and languages which developers use to develop applications for this platform. Like when developer is developing an iPhone application, they will use Objective-C or Swift to develop the iPhone application. And when they are developing an Android application, they will use Android SDK using Java or Kotlin. Now the key thing here to notice that when they are writing Swift or Kotlin or Android source code, these two are completely two different source codes. Now what are the benefits of native mobile apps? The one and the most important benefit is that it allows developers to access native libraries and device capabilities. And this enables them to achieve best user experience, best performance, best security. And the most important thing in long term is upgrading and scaling becomes super easy. You don't have to really worry about it. How much do native apps cost? This purely depends upon the scope of the application in terms of size and complexity. Now say for example, you want to develop an e-commerce application. Now if it's a single vendor e-commerce application, possibly you want to build a consumer application which is for iPhone and Android, and possibly a web admin. But if it is a multi-vendor application, then possibly you need to develop a consumer application for iPhone and Android, a seller application for iPhone and Android, and possibly you may also have a delivery boy module which will also have an iPhone and Android module, and on the top of it possibly a web admin module. So if you see, the scope of single vendor e-commerce application versus a multi-vendor e-commerce application is completely different. So when you are considering developing a native mobile application, you should be prepared to spend somewhere between 40K to 100K or more based on the exact scope of the application that you want to develop. Now the key question here is why native apps are costly. In native apps, you are developing two separate code bases. One is for iPhone, one is for Android. And each of these languages are different, tools are different, technologies are different. So the kind of expertise that you need to work on this applications is also going to be different. So that means you are going to have at least two developers. One will work on Android and one will work on iPhone. And that's why your cost almost doubles. Conclusion: when you should opt for native mobile application. Knowing that native mobile apps are super expensive, it's best for you to know when you should go for the same. Native mobile app development is for you if your app has numerous complex designs or animations that establish the business advantage for your product. Your app needs to interact or use device capabilities in a customized way, or your app relies heavily on OS specific features and you plan to support the newest OS features promptly after the release. If these are the points, then you must go for native application development. Other than this, if you have any further questions, doubts, clarifications, write to me on amit@synclovis.com and I would be happy to answer your queries. Thank you.